Thinking of applying for the BMO Cashback World Elite Mastercard? Well, here's a quick step-by-step guide to make it easy. First, check your eligibility. You need to be at least 18, a Canadian resident, and have a strong credit history. Have your income and address history handy. It helps speed things up. Well, next, visit the official BMO website and find the Cashback World Elite Master page. Spend a moment reviewing the perks like 1.5% cashback on groceries, 1% on recurring bills, travel insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. When you're ready, click apply now. Fill in your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with your employment status and annual income. BMO will run a soft credit check. First, so your credit score won't be impacted. If that check passes, you'll proceed to the full application and may receive an instant decision. If approved, your card should arrive by mail in about 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, activate it online through the BMO mobile app, then you're all set to start earning cash back on everyday purchases and enjoy premium benefits. Oh, that's it. It's really simple, fast, rewarding. And if this guide helped you, well, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment because that helps our channel to grow and also helps me bring out more content for you guys. But also, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you around next time.